Happy Wednesday, everybody. Welcome to pre-market update. We'll start with Bitcoin and Ethereum. Crypto, we will review it first, then we'll review all the major indices, including Nasdaq, S&P 500, and then at the end we'll wrap up with commodities. Please hit the like button, guys. Only takes 1 second to hit the thumbs up button and share this channel with friends and family and help me grow this channel. All right, so Bitcoin trade location. I updated my chart a bit, and I wanted to show you this is 2 hour chart live future. Trade location is very important for you to understand when to buy, when to sell. So I updated my chart a bit. There's a resistance line here. You can see the white line, and also if I zoom in, this is we would like to buy in this green box, okay? This dark green you can see, and we like to sell in this upper red box. Above white line, we sell. Below white line, we buy. This is because trade location is so important. You really need to know when to buy, when to sell. So here you go. Whenever Bitcoin went below this box in the green area, we buy. All right. And whenever it goes above this white line, that's an area you should be looking to take profit. So now we are where we are right now. We're right now in the middle. All right. So I think Bitcoin still has potential to go up to at least 62, 63K. And this is the area you would like to sell. All right. So this is what I would like to tell you, that it still has room to grow, and whenever it goes above this white line, that's where you should be looking to take profits. On Ethereum, let this load. Let's see. Okay, so Ethereum is on our downer side. Again, trade location. Every time we went below this white line, that's a good area to buy, and then we get a bounce, and then again we came here, got slight bounce, and we test again here. Now we're here, so it can go a little bit more higher, and then eventually, if it when it comes to red area, that's the area you want to sell. All right, let's look at gaps on BTC chart. You can see here gaps. If I zoom in, this gap is still not filled. This gap is here around 62K. Still, it can go higher. This is CME futures. CME futures saying it is going to probably fill this gap 62K at some point. And on Ethereum, um, again, Ethereum, this gap, let me zoom in and see if this gap is filled. This gap is still not filled. You can see this hourly gap is still not filled, so it's probably going to go higher, fill this gap, and then that's also going to be an area where you would like to sell. Then if that goes above that, then this is the area you would like to sell again. Then 25.47 is also a possibility. So just wanted to share you that, and then let's go side by side and compare levels. This is BTC on the left side, live buy and sell levels. Yesterday we had a nice bounce into the sell area, and then it sold off. All right, so right now we are in the neutral zone. Look to buy below 59K, and look to sell above 60.5K. And if you want to know more about this indicator, this is only for day trading. Join my Discord. There's a link in the description, and let me know user ID will add you to members only group. Ethereum, same thing here. Went from sell zone to the buy zone. Massive moves here, around 5% down, and this is where you want to be buying Ethereum as well. Um, okay, guys, that's it for crypto. Let me move to traditional market. Let's start with SPX. Here you go, cycle analysis, and let's start with the S&P 500 day trading chart. And let me focus here. So let me bring one daily chart here. So you can see on a daily chart, we are in an uptrend. So we are in this rising phase, So this rising phase is still going higher up to end of September. So, and it did make a new all-time high yesterday. All right. So I don't expect any major sell-off until end of this month, and then we'll have a declining phase for next 2 weeks. But for now, looking for higher prices on S&P 500. Let's go back to 2 hours chart on S&P 500, and on the left side you see day trading chart, and you can see here we came near buy zone and then bounced. We're right now in the middle neutral zone, and on this chart, which is a new chart which I made, so we came below in the green zone, buy. Again, we came in the green zone, buy, and now we can still go a little higher. Above 5,700 is a nice area you would like to short, or you would like to take profits. All right. So again, that's why trade location is so important. You don't want to be buying here. You want to be buying here in the green area. So that's where we're going. Let's go to Nasdaq. Same thing here. Nasdaq was very nice yesterday. Nice shot in from the red zone, came very close to green zone, and now in the middle. And on the trade location from Nasdaq perspective, still same thing here. Green is where we want to be buying, and now we are going towards upper higher in the red zone. So it can still go higher up to 19943. Also on, if I go to triple Qs, there's a gap, 495. I think we're gonna fill that gap. You can see here, this is a this is a cash market of triple Q. You can see I'm looking for this gap fill 495. To be honest, for my target from here, I'm looking for a pump of around 4.3% to fill that gap, and that's where it's going to be in a nice area to take profits as well. On SPY, all gaps are filled. There's already a gap up, so I think so. There's a gap around 559, but then again, it can still go above 573. All right, so just wanted to share these. Let's go to Dow Jones. On Dow Jones DIA ETF, again, it's in the neutral zone right now, but from uh, DIA ETF perspective, it's already in the resistance area. Should be looking to take profits here. You can see US 30 on the right side also. Here, very close to that upper boundary of the area. Russell 2000. Russell 2000 is also going towards the sell zone here. All right, so it can still bounce and it can still go here. This is where you could take profits. And yesterday, you can see nice in the day trading chart. Yesterday came to sell zone and going lower here. So again, Russell still has some room. S&P 500 still has some room. Dow Jones is pretty much topping, but if S&P 500 goes higher, this will also go higher. Let's review China. And you can see China massive pump yesterday in the resistance area. And here you can see on this chart, China is still possible it can go higher. It came to the buy zone here and now bouncing higher. All right. Let's quickly, I will show you a snapshot of all the major stocks right now. Tesla is in the neutral zone, still has room to go higher. There's a gap around 247, gap around 250, 291. This is Apple. Apple, again, I keep talking about trade location. Look at this. This is where you want to be buying Apple. Okay, Apple is below in the green box. This is the perfect time to buy Apple. If you're listening to this recording, you would like to buy right now Apple. All right, so Amazon is in the sell zone, so this is not the area you would like to buy, but still it can go higher in this gap fill. Netflix, let's look at Netflix is also in the near sell zone. So again, this is a nice indicator to see where you want to be buying. Google, again, trade location went to the green zone and bouncing right now. So again, it can still go higher, way higher. All these yellow lines are gaps to fill. Meta, Facebook in your sell zone. This is where you should be looking to take profits. Microsoft. Let's look at Microsoft in the day trading chart near sell zone. It can still go higher on this 2 hours chart. Snowflakes. Snowflakes is very close to buy zone, I would say. And NVDA, the monster. Let's see how's the trade location on NVDA. Very close to buy zone. Okay, so NVIDIA still has a lot of room to go. Probably it's going to go above 140s at some point, so still has potential to go way higher. Let's look at commodities real quick, guys. Gold. Let's look at gold is in the sell area. No, not interested to buy here. In the uh, basically silver, same thing. Not do not look to buy here. Copper in the sell area again. Copper is in that sell area. Crude oil had a nice bounce yesterday. Let's see, again, it's near buy zone, so this is a good area to still buy, accumulate. Natural gas in the sell zone, both sides, both areas. Palladium is also keep buying above everything, so good time to take profits if you're holding palladium. Soybeans, probably gonna go for this gap fill 1047. Sugar is also near sell zone and going higher already, so look to take profits here. Wheat is also in the area you should be looking to take profits for it to go down. Corn and corn is also approaching the sell area right now. And cocoa is in a good area to buy. Nice trade location here. Alright guys, that's it for today. If there is any particular stock you want me to review, put a comment, and let's just quickly look at VIX. VIX still has potential to go lower. Couple of gaps still around 16, 15, and 14. Alright, okay guys, bye.